Okay, so we are very excited to share with you our assessment of economic benefits in the digital economy era, focusing on a revolutionary tech product that has transformed lives in economies in Southeast Asia, or Indonesia itself, which is GOJEK.
Jadilah cerdikiawan dan raih ragam solusi untuk setiap situasi. Layaknya aplikasi, karya anak bangsa.
Pasti ada jalan dengan GOJEK.
Okay, so hello everyone. Today we will be explaining about GOJEK. GOJEK is not just an app, it's a versatile platform that offers a wide range of services, from ride-hailing and food delivery to digital payments and logistics. GOJEK seamlessly integrates various services into one application. This versatility is a prime example of how digital platforms can create economic benefits by simplifying and enhancing daily transactions. GOJEK has had significant impact on economic empowerment and job creation in regions where traditional employment opportunities might be limited. GOJEK has provided flexible job options for millions of drivers, like delivery personnel and also small business owners. Another key reason for choosing GOJEK is its role in driving innovation and digital payment integration in the region. GoPay service has revolutionized how people transact, promoting financial inclusion by offering secure and accessible digital payment solutions. So, GOJEK's success story is a testament to its contribution to the digital economy. The platform's growth has spurred investment, fostered competition, and inspired the development of similar services across Southeast Asia, which is Indonesia. Okay, so that's all from me. Next will be presented by my friends.
Okay, I will now explain about the next step, which is the use of the app. So from the user side, we have service selection. Service selection, when you click on the app, it goes to the home screen. The app has different displays of various services options for GOJEK. For example, it has Go Ride, Go Kart, Go Food, Go Send, Go Mart, and many other options you can choose for your service selection. The second part is booking a service. So booking a service means if you choose Go Car, you can go for a ride hauling for transportation purposes. If you choose Go Food, it will deliver your food. You can browse through restaurants, you can select which items you want to order and confirm the purchase basically. The app displays the delivery time, the estimated delivery time, and you can actually contact the restaurants or the GOJEK driver if you want a specific order being ordered. Now, basically for every GOJEK services, you can customize it to your own will. You can either you can choose Go Ride and you can go through different types of cities, or you can Go Food to choose different types of food. Go Mart, you can have somebody to shop for you. So it is very wide in terms of services. Now we go to real-time tracking and communication. Real-time tracking communication is, as its name implies, for tracking. Once a service is booked, users can track the real-time location of the driver or the delivery personnel on the GOJEK app on its map service. And for communication, as the name implies, users can contact the driver or delivery personnel to provide, via in-app chat to provide additional instructions if needed in the delivery. After that, we go to the payment. So GOJEK has its own payment currency. It's called GoPay. Users can pay for services using GoPay, GOJEK's integrated digital wallet. So people can top up GoPay via their bank transfer or use debit card or the credit card to use as payment. And then the other option besides GOJEK is cash or card. People can actually link their debit card into GOJEK to pay for their services. And then the last one is rating and feedback. As the name implies, after a booking service is completed, you can give a rating or a feedback to the driver and to GOJEK itself. So you can tell the benefits of your service or your experience with GOJEK. Okay, now we go to the driver's side. So there are a few less steps. We only have 3. So the first step is registration. So registration has 2 different steps. First is application. Drivers and services providers apply to GOJEK through the app or GOJEK's website. They undergo a verification process, which includes background checks and vehicle inspections, since they will be the drivers. And then the second part is the training. So once approved, drivers receive training on how they use the app, customer service, and safety protocols. So that is the registration. Now, the next step is receiving requests. So after receiving a request, the driver will get a job notification. Drivers and service providers receive a real-time notification service of service requests in their area or in their vicinity. They can accept or decline their request based on their availability. And inside this, there is also navigation. So the app provides turn-by-turn or maps navigation to pick up or drop off their locations, either a package, food, or customers. And then the last part is service fulfillment. So in service fulfillment, there are different points. The first point is completion. Drivers complete the service by picking up the users or package, or by delivering the ordered items. They mark the job as finished in the app after they actually finish the job. And then the second part is earnings. So earnings are tracked in the app, and the drivers can cash out their earnings to their bank account or use GoPay for transactions. So it's basically the same as payment for customers, but instead of giving payments, they receive their payments either from GoPay or their actual bank account. So maybe this is the instructions on how to use the GOJEK app from the user side and the driver side. Next part will be explained by my friend. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next part.
Okay, next part I will be explain about benefit economic of GOJEK. The GOJEK apps allow users to easily request service, track their process, and make payment out of their smartphone. This convenience and accessibility are crucial for both service provider, like driver and merchant, and customer. Location service enable real-time tracking of driver and delivery, ensure efficient dispatch and optimizing route. This translates to faster service for user and potentially higher earning for service provider. This economic benefit like increasing income opportunity for driver, merchant, and other service provider. Reduce transportation cost for user due to optimized route and potentially lower fares during off-peak hour. Greater access to service for user, especially in area with limited traditional option. Improve efficiency in service delivery, leading to faster response times and shorter wait times. For the next presented by my friend.
Okay, so now I will explain the real simulation example of GOJEK itself. Okay, first of all, the GOJEK supports small and medium-sized enterprises or SMEs by offering them access to a broader customer base through its platform. For example, a small restaurant can register on GoFood, GOJEK's food delivery service, which allow it to reach more customers than it could through traditional walk-ins alone. This increased visibility leads to higher sales, enabling the business to grow, employ more staff, and increase its overall economic impact. By what? By connecting SMEs to a large digital customer network, GOJEK help this business expand and thrive in the digital economy.
I think that's all from us for explaining our assessment of economic benefits in the digital economy era. I think that's all, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.